Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal friends and family option not showing up. This is a common issue that many PayPal users face, and it can be quite frustrating when you're simply trying to send money to a friend or family member, but that option just isn't there. Don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple steps to solve it right now. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Once you're on the site, click Login at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure your credentials are correct. It's easy to mistype something, so always double-check just to be safe. Now, if the friends and family option isn't showing up when you try to send money, don't panic, there's a reason for it. Most often, this happens because you're trying to send money as if you were buying something. Remember, the friends and family option is only available when you're sending money for personal reasons, not for goods or services. Let's clarify the most common causes. Reason number 1. The recipient's PayPal account is set up as a business account. If you're sending money to someone who uses PayPal primarily to receive payments for goods or services, then the friends and family option will not appear at all. Reason number 2. Your own PayPal account might also be set up or defaulted to business mode. PayPal tailors its available options based on your account type and purpose. Here's how to fix it step by step. 1. Log back into your PayPal account. 2. From your dashboard, click Send Payments. 3. Enter your recipient's details. This could be their email, name, or phone number. 4. Double-check that the information is correct. 5. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You can also add a short note explaining why you're sending the money. Now, pay attention to this part. When you see the options for paying for an item or service or sending to a friend, make sure to select Sending to a Friend. This is the key step that differentiates personal payments from business transactions. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, press Confirm to finalize the payment. By following these steps carefully, you should now be able to see the friends and family option appear again and send money easily to your loved ones. I hope this tutorial helped you understand why the option disappears and how to get it back quickly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more clear and simple PayPal guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.